We'll start our journey with a bootcamp on Streamlit. In particular, we'll focus on testing local Streamlit web applications. Keep this picture in mind because I'll try to teach Streamlit from this perspective. As you will see, Streamlit is a minimalistic framework for building rapidly small applications like proof of concept, prototyping, and so on. And I will focus here on the front end architecture. I'll start with the output controls because they are very simple. They just render some data in a particular manner on screen. Then I will continue with the layout components, which are actually just simple containers to encapsulate all these controls. And I will end up with input controls. We'll build this application from scratch. And at the end of this section, you must be able as well to build such a data-driven application from scratch. It has everything you need. As you can see here, we render some CSV file as a data frame on screen. We will look at this manager-employee parent-child hierarchical relationship that we will render in different formats like XML, you see here, like JSON, like YAML, and so on, that we will render as a graph. We will render as a hierarchical chart, as a tree map, icicle, sunburst, and so on. And as you can see, they are all interactive charts. We will end up as well building animated charts like this collapsible tree or different dendrograms, linear radial dendrograms, or this amazing network graph. Remember, this is in D3. On the left side, as you can see here, we can choose different columns for the hierarchical relationship, or we can select different CSV files. And as you can anticipate already, in the future, we replace this with database database tables, views, or other elements. I already loaded another model, and this is based on our child and parent relationship for different animals. We'll talk about events and page reruns, about Streamlit data and resource caching, about session state and callbacks, basically everything you need to build such a data-driven application yourself. And just to anticipate, for this hierarchical data viewer, we will later deploy it in the Streamlit community cloud, but we'll not stop there. We'll just connect to Snowflake, and later on we'll deploy it as Streamlit in a Snowflake application, or we'll share it with other different Snowflake accounts, or even in the data marketplace as a Snowflake native app. Are you ready to go? Let's do it.